Hey guys, welcome back YouTube. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to run the full dyno test of the Planet Audio AC2500.1M. I don't know why there's an M on the back of it, but there's an M on the back of it. It should be like a D. It's a Class AB amplifier. I'm going to measure it on the camera. I'm going to try something new today. I'm going to shoot the dyno on another camera and put the dyno in the bottom screen, and I'm going to try to focus the camera on the sub so you can see the sub moving today. So today for 4 ohms we're going to run the Rockford Fosgate T2. This is a D2 subwoofer, and I got it wired at 4 ohms so we can run it at 4 ohms today. I got the Scar SVR. This one's a D4. This is wired at 2 ohms. And I have the American Bass Titan 12 inch, and that's also wired at 2 ohms. So I'm going to wire those together, and we're going to shoot for, we're going to try to get the lowest ohm load we can get. I'm going to try to shoot for 1 ohm, around 1 ohm. And hopefully the Planet Audio will run under the 2 ohm limit that it says. Now at 2 ohms it says it does 1875 watts. And at 4 ohms it says it does 938 watts. Now I know we're not going to see those numbers, but let's see what we're going to see. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to start with the 4 ohm test. We got it on real-time power. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to start with the 4 ohm test. We got it on real-time power. This is a 32 hertz tone. Go. I can give it a little bit more. Now this is a 32 hertz tone. We're at 83, 85 watts. A little bit more. That 4 ohms shot all the way up to 7.5 ohms. So we're at 83, 85 watts. Try this. That 4 ohms shot all the way up to 7.5 ohms. Alright. Let's try this here. Alright, let's give it a little bit more. Let's give it a little bit more. So you can see I raised the volume and now the ohms went up. It's getting more power now though. It is getting more power in some of the tones. So you can see I raised the volume and now the ohms went up. It's getting more power now though. It is getting more power in some of the tones. Alright guys, well if you haven't already, make sure you throw your thumbs up. Go down below. Hit that subscribe button, guys. We'll be right back with that 2 ohm test. Well, if you haven't already, make sure you throw your... Hey guys, welcome back. So, I feel like a dummy because this is my second time doing this video, so I'm going to turn everything on, just get it going. We're going to do a measurement here of the Planet Audio AC2500.1M. I gotta figure out what that M is for, because I would really like to know, because it's a Class AB amplifier, if you didn't catch that earlier. So it measures 14 inches. I don't have this end cap here, but I'm just guessing it goes over a little bit, and a roundabout number right here would be 14, because if you go down, now it measures 2.5 in width, and in the width of the amplifier itself it measures 10 inches, and it weighs a ton. And we've already seen what it does for 4 ohms. I think I saw 150, maybe around 200 it did at 4 ohms, and that was really thumping the speaker. Alright, so let's get the dyno on. Over here. Alright. Get her on real-time power. And when I do the next one, this is going to be a 32 hertz tone. I'm going to do real-time power on here just so you can see the live power at 2 ohms. And when I do the other one, so 32 hertz. Okay, I'm going to put it on real-time power now so you can see it jump. Now we're going to see what it really puts out. 2 ohms, guys. Gave it a little bit more juice. I'm going to show you the subs moving after this, guys. But the subs are hammering. Alright guys, so that was the Planet Audio AC2500.1M. 491 watts, guys, out of the Planet Audio. Let me back this up here. I am actually surprised because I honestly thought I was going to get 300-400 watts out of it. Maybe 400. I thought 400 was tops, and 491, that blows my mind. So definitely not 2500 watts, guys. And you already saw it went below 1 ohm on the meter before. When I go back, I'll check it later, and I'll drop it down in the comments what it actually did, because I couldn't watch the dyno the whole time, guys. So make sure you throw your thumbs up, guys. Alright, go down below, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Another dyno video. If you got a question, a comment, or something, guys, I'm happy to answer for you. I love to answer them for you. So hit me up, guys. We'll see you soon. Peace.